Hello, hello, my friends. Troy here coming live at you. It was live when I made this video. Look, I'm glad you found this video. If you found this video, what you were probably looking for is how to create some pretty awesome lead landing pages, right? How to create some free landing pages. I'm going to show you some of the things that I do. I'm going to show you the main platform I use called Gorilla Marketing PRO. I'm going to show you they have a free version and they have two small upgraded versions. This is not a pitch. I'm not trying to sell you anything. I'm going to show you the power of what Gorilla Marketing is doing, how you can build landing pages out of scratch and make some pretty awesome ones too. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to pull up 5 or 6 of the favorite ones that I did here this year for my affiliate programs that I use and let you kind of check it out to see how brilliant the colors are, how awesome the pages look. You can make them just any way. I'm going to show you that in just a second. So let me show you a couple of them. I built this one. I love cars, so most of mine have cars in them. I built this for one of my affiliate programs, Press One Cash, and all of mine are 2 to 3 pages. In other words, I build this one, watch the video, it goes to a second page, it looks very similar, with a video of me explaining or doing something, or maybe a video I pulled off of a business that I'm in, related to Press One, and then they will have a join now, get started now button, and that'll lead them to the final page. So I have actually built with one business last year 6 pages in a row, and each page had different videos on it. So you can do multiple things. You can have it just right here going to your main business page, or you can have 2 to 3 steps. Maybe it's a video, maybe it's an explainer video, and then you doing an income proof video. So there's really multiple ways you can do it, and you'll kind of see that as I go through the back. So this is one of the capture pages. Here's another one. I love bright colors because I use that as a screenshot on YouTube when I do my videos and get them ranked, and that pops out when people are going around YouTube. Man, those bright colors, they see it. So this is my Club Cash Fund. No, this is my GRE, Go Rings Extreme, one of those capture pages I built. This is for my Club Cash Fund. I did a walk to the Mailbox live video, about 15 minutes, and unwrapping and pulling $280 out cash. So this is a 3-step video. This one's a really cool one, and all of them have this background. And the second one has a video of me unwrapping the money. The third one is a video of the comp plan, 6 minutes, powerful. And then the fourth one is actually going to Club Cash and getting their free kits. So that's pretty awesome. And also, I'll put the links down to each of these videos, and I'll name them so that you can actually go through the capture pages and look at them yourself and kind of see how they're built. So if you get a Gorilla Marketing Pro, and whether you stay with the free version or you upgrade, then you'll have all the benefits of how powerful this is. And I'll go over that towards the end and give you some bonuses as well. So let's look at this one. Here's one of my Go Ringless Extremes, McLaren card of blue, brilliant blues, right? How to make 400 over and over again. That's a cool page. Here's a Go Ringless SMS. We've got a cool video right on the main page, right? So just another method, another way you can design it. It's got all the cool. And what's so good about this, I'll show you the background here in just a second, all the backgrounds you can choose from. Whatever your business is, this is for every business, MLM, network marketing, affiliate marketing, traditional businesses. That encompasses 55 million businesses in the U.S. alone. Everybody needs a capture page for their business to gather leads. Those leads will eventually turn into what? Money, customers, team members. So you have to have a capture page. I encourage you to never market and run solo ads and videos and Craigslist and all that, and send them to your main page for whatever company you're in. That's the biggest mistake you can ever make, because they'll keep all the leads. You won't have any to follow up with every day. Just take it from me. You can learn the hard way, or you can listen to what I do. Here's another one I did for Press One Cash. Man, look how brilliant that red is with that gray background. That is top-notch, high-def pictures that you can choose from. It's amazing. Here's the last one I did. Here's a simple one I did. I promote a company where you can get thousands of advertising pages sent out every month. 2,000 classified ad pages, 500 high-quality private blogs. So this is a separate affiliate program I promote but I didn't put any colors on it. I just wanted a cool gray background with bright green that pops out, you know. So those are the top 5 affiliate pages that I've built using Gorilla Marketing Pro. Now I want to go in and show you. I'm logged in, right? Let me make sure I'm logged in. And this is the home page when you log in. You go to Marketing Tools, Landing Pages, right? They got pre-made landing pages for you. Genesity's awesome. I'm getting ready to blow this up right here. I'll talk about that later in another video. Page Builder, boom. Let's go build something real quick. Create a new landing page. Let's pop it like it's hot. How many minutes I got? Oh my goodness. All right. I'm not going to name it. I'm just going to go in here and we're going to find. Now I could scroll down here for days. There might be 1,000 pictures that I can choose from, right? A lot of these you'll recognize. Let it load up. I've used that one. Man, they got some awesome ones for guys that like cars and hot products like that. You know, Wonder Woman's in there. You got Jet, Bitcoin, you know, just Ferraris, Lamborghinis, and chicken. You just scroll down, you recognize this one. I use that one 2 or 3 times. You got your Rolls Royce, magnet, some type of MLM campaign you want to run, make money online, some Walmart card, right? So you can just scroll on down. That's the one I use. I showed you a little while ago. You can have just the dollar one pop up. You click on it, right? So I clicked on that. And here you've got 4 tabs that you get to put stuff in, right? So let's just do, I cannot type without looking, so please don't make fun. I'm a 2-finger typer. Right here, I decided to do it. This page is awesome, right? And then boom. So now you've got that title. Let's go and put something really good like Troy is cool, right? So now you've got these that you can put down whatever your business is. You can just look at your business, look at your landing page that your business has. Just a dozen ways for you to, you know your business, I hope, so you know what to put. Take little snippets. If they've got advertising, take a snippet of advertising, whatever it takes to get it done, right? Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it look real cool. I'm going to scroll down to click. Now this 1, 2, 3, 4 tabs right here, this 4 columns, 3 columns, 4 to deep, are these. So I'll come over here and I'll click on, let's do lime green. Okay, lime green. Now I'll go and I'll click on the biggest there is, somewhere down here, right? Then let's pick Chewy. I like Chewy. Chewy looks cool. Boom, right? So you can go around and you can play around with the headers and everything and make them bigger and do what you want with them. This page is awesome, right? So that's my first column they gave me, my header, my title. It's always going to be bigger. So then I can go over here and I can do hot pink. Because Troy's cool and hot. Nah, let me do blue. Blue is my favorite color, but let's do red. That's orange red. Let's do red red. All right. Now we're going to go on down and we're going to blow it up a little bit. Because Troy is cool. So we're going to pop it. Now we're going to go and use a Chewy and see if it makes that red stick out. Troy is cool. You see? And the good thing about this, you keep on going down, you know, you put in something here. Let's get this party. Someone's calling me on the phone. You know, you just put in more info, right? And then down here right above the button, put something like, let's get this party. Oh, it started. I cannot do 2 things at once, no matter what, and I can't type and talk. So there you go. Okay, now, so we'll just do some colors on here real quick. Got let's do a blue, right? Let it stand out a little bit more. We'll do that passion one, and we'll expand the size of that. because you can put whatever info you want here, right? And the fourth one, we'll do, a green again, make it pop. And we'll do that cool banger style sideways, and we'll expand it a little bit, make it big. Let's get this party started. Now, obviously you saw that every one of this, first one that matches, the second one's red, third tab is 4, and the fourth one's green. So you can go around and play around with this because you might want to change your background. I'll show you in a second. Right, now you want to do a button. It's really cool. You got button settings here. So you can go down, click here, and you've got all these buttons. You take action, get started today, sign up for free, whatever your program is. You know what it is. Are they buying something? Are they getting a training? Are you giving them more info? What is it that you want to do? See, I might use a different button if I've got a second page. Join the team today. Boom, you get to see what the button looks like every time you click on the button. Then you hit save, and the changes are saved, and the button's right there. Take action, join the team today, boom, right? But then you look at this go up. Now remember, this will look a little bit different once you get the link and put it on a different page because it's blown this up and it's not all the way down to the bottom here. But let's just say the background, I don't like the dollar background. Let me choose another one to see. And you're scrolling down, and you go, man, I like blue. But the sunset's cool. Let me do the sunset. Now, boom, look at that color. Now you're like, and you know what? That red in the background and that green popping off is cool, but I want to change that Troy's cool color. So I'm going to go over here because red is just too much, and I'm going to make it yellow. Okay? Boom. And then you can go in here and change sizes. You can do what you want to do with this, but you want to get it kind of set up with the wording and the framing first. And then you can go back and change the buttons and change it. And then when you're done, you scroll on down here and do what? You save it. So now it's saved, right? So now you've got one page built, but you've got to send them somewhere. So this right here, if you want to put a video in, right there's the video. Maybe you've got a 2-minute real quick awesome video that you just know is going to capture them. They want to go to the second page and get your info, get their info to you, right? So it shows you in all these videos, every single page has a video, a help video that shows you what you do. You'll go to YouTube and it has a long link, but these after the equal sign on the YouTube video, which I'll show you what it looks like. See this right here? Nope, that's my video. Let's click on this video. I'll show you what it looks like. See this right here? That's the info right after the equal sign that you'll copy and paste and you'll put here. And when you do that and hit save, that video pops up there. Then you come down here. Where do you want to send them? What are you promoting? Gorilla Marketing Pro sales page? No. I want a custom URL. Why? Because I want to send them either to another page I built, which will give me a link, or I want to send them to my primary business. So you hit custom URL. You put that here, right? You keep this as do not skip. You roll on down, you hit save, right? Why do you want to do the do not skip? I'll show you. You've got your page. We're going to go back to members area. Everything's saved. Okay, I'm going to go back to create the page. Oh, no, I'm not. I lied. I'm in the page I need to be at. I'm going to scroll down and look and find my page I just built right here, right? I'm going to highlight it because I want to see what it looks like fully built in a new tab, okay? Booyah. That's flipping awesome. You hear me? That is awesome. Now, we don't want to skip, right? Because watch when I go off the page. I'm looking, and I would click on this if I had connected it to my primary business. Boom. What does that mean? What does that mean? This is freaking awesome. That means when you sign up for Gorilla Marketing Pro and you upgrade to the $10 or the $20, $25 version where you get every single option in this thing, which I don't have time to show right now, I need traffic. If you have a traffic source, say it's UDIMI, you get to put your link right there. A low-cost biz, say it's Press One Cash, you get to put your link right there. So if they go off this page and they see that pop out and they go, oh, I do need a system. I want thousands of fresh leads. I give them Grow Ringless Extreme, right? They click on it. They go, yeah, I do. Oh, where's it take them to? My Go Ringless platform. What? What? This thing is flipping amazing. And the Pro Platinum is only $25 a month. And look at these buttons. I cannot even go over the traffic rotators, the autoresponder emails you get to set up, pre-written swipes. You got your trackers for email stats and traffic stats. Your profile, that's where you set up everything that I just showed you on